everybody, my name is Brice Wilson, and welcome to my course, Deno Getting Started. I'm a software developer and architect. Deno is an exciting new runtime for JavaScript and TypeScript designed to help you reduce complexity and create modern, secure apps with great built-in tooling. Some of the major topics that we'll cover include installing and configuring Deno, using the Deno Runtime API, linking to external code, working with the Deno standard library, and using Deno's built-in development tools. By the end of the course, you'll have a solid understanding of Deno, how it compares to similar runtimes, and how to take full advantage of all it offers on your next project. Before beginning this course, you should be familiar with the basics of JavaScript. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn this exciting new development tool and all that it enables in the Deno Getting Started course at Pluralsight.